Caden here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft resource pack. This will only work in Minecraft Java Edition, so if you have any other version of Minecraft, look up another way to make a resource pack. But if you have Java Edition, this should work great for you. If you don't know what a resource pack is, it is basically something that takes certain blocks in Minecraft or other things in Minecraft and makes them look different. You can make them or you can download them. I'm going to be showing you how to make them today, and we are going to start by opening up Minecraft. You'll open it up in whatever version you want a resource pack to be. I would suggest the latest release, which is 1.14.4, because it has more blocks and more textures to change than other versions. So first, you have to open your Minecraft, because you have to figure out how to get to the .minecraft folder, which is where all of the stuff in your Minecraft game is held, in one folder called .minecraft. And the easiest way to get to it is to open up Minecraft. So Minecraft's opening right now. And if you have any questions throughout this video, just ask them in the comments and I'll try my best to help. But we are starting. So Minecraft opened, and the easiest way to go to .minecraft is go Options, Resource Packs, Open Resource Pack folder. And this should open your resource packs folder. If you have any resource packs downloaded, it should show them right here. Otherwise, you just go to .minecraft, Versions, and whatever version you want your resource pack to be in. I'm doing mine in 1.14.4. And you see there's a JSON file and a jar file. You're going to need some type of extractor. I have 7-zip. You find something that you trust and get it, or if you already have one, you can use it. I'm going to extract the files into another folder. I'll call it extra. And then I'll start. And this is going to take a little bit because it is going to be extracting every file in Minecraft. While that's going on, let's quickly make a world. I'll call it tutorial. And we're going to spawn in creative. The extracting will take various times depending on how fast your computer runs. I am going to make a world that we are going to test all of our resource pack in. Now while this is happening, let's go and we are going to create a folder on our desktop. This folder, the name of this folder is whatever you want your resource pack to be named. I'm going to name mine tutorial because I am doing a tutorial on how to make a resource pack. You'll open it and you can clearly see that there is nothing in it. You're going to start by creating a text document. It doesn't matter what you call it because you're going to save a new file later. You're going to put certain code in it. I will have the code in the description and I will describe to you what it does. Basically, this code tells Minecraft right here that this is a resource pack. The pack format tells Minecraft what blocks to be changed. So I'm doing 1.14, so I'll use pack format 4. If you are not using 1.14 or 1.13, you will have a different pack format. So you have to look up and figure out what your pack format is. In the description is, if I go to resource packs, you see here, programmer art is what tutorial, the name of your resource pack, is going to be. But then in gray underneath here, that's what the description is. So we are going to describe it as a tutorial for YouTube. And then we are going to save as, and this is very important. You save it as pack.mcmeta. And then the type, all files. And now you can close this and you go back into your resource packs folder. Now you see there's new text document and pack.mcmeta. You do not need the new text document. You can put that in the recycling bin. Now you see here my extractor extracted all of this jar file into an extra folder. And here's 1.14.4, and there is all of the files from Minecraft 1.14.4. Now all you need is the assets folder. So you move the assets folder to your resource pack, and you should keep that open. You go to .minecraft resource packs, and then you drag your resource pack into here. And if you go into Minecraft again, congrats, you made a resource pack. But if I do this, it's not going to change any of the textures or the blocks, what the blocks look like, because we haven't changed anything yet. I am going to recommend a certain software to you that I use in order to change what blocks look like. We go into our resource pack, assets, Minecraft, textures. And this is where all of the stuff is located. I'm going to start and showing you by going into block, and then let's pick a random thing. Let's do cobblestone. You open with, you can use Microsoft Paint. I wouldn't suggest it though, because there's certain blocks that have to be transparent, and you can't do that in Microsoft Paint. I'm going to open it with GNU image manipulation program. That's GIMP. That's what I use. I'll have a link in the description if you want to get it. It's going to start up, and the reason I use GIMP is because it's like Microsoft Paint, except it has more tools and you can do a lot more in it. It can make things transparent. There's a lot of tools that make things a lot easier. Like what I'm going to do right here. You'll have to open the tool options in the toolbox. There, you just find them in the filters and stuff. I'm going to go to rectangle tool, the select, and select the entire block. I'm going to right click it, go to colors, and click colorize. This will change the entire thing to any color that I want. I definitely like doing this because when I first started, I was using Microsoft Paint and I would have to change every pixel, which is what you see how, like up here where the arrow is, that square, that is 1 pixel. This is made out of a lot of pixels. So I would have to find one color for each shade of gray in the cobblestone and do that. But GIMP just makes it so you can select it all and change the color. And now I am going to go, and this should be good. We are going to overwrite the cobblestone, or if you were using Microsoft Paint, you just save as and save it as the exact same name, or you can just hit save and it will just save it as that. And now you can see cobblestone is red. If we go into options, resource packs, and refresh our resource pack, that means just moving it down and then up again. So you move it, you activate it. Right here it's loading, and now there's no cobblestone around. You can see right there, cobblestone is now red. Now, if you have followed this far, you have successfully made a resource pack and changed the color of something. Let's make one more thing. I'm going to do this, and then let's change what certain fences look like. Unless cobblestone has other things. It does. It has slabs, stairs, and a wall. Now this is cool. The same thing happens with bricks. It has different versions of that same block. So when you change the texture, it just changes all of the textures instead of the one. Now we have made this, And we have a cool little hut made out of a block that isn't in the game. We made the block look like this, so it usually doesn't. It usually looks like regular cobblestone, but we just made it look like something different. So now, let's do one small other thing. Like, we can do clay. Open with GIMP. Oh, whenever I get that screen up, I am right-clicking the block, or the texture, to get that screen. And now, I just open it up, and we can draw. Whenever you first get the toolbox open, you're going to need to figure out how to use the pencil tool, because when you select it, you'll need the tool options menu to set the size to 1. That means 1 pixel, because usually the size will be set to like 25, and that will mean 25 pixels, and each block is around 16 pixels by 16 pixels. So now I have this. I'm going to select, turn my color to black, and let's make a little face. There. Now here, and now we select white to add a little glint in the face's eyes. We do File, Overwrite Clay. And then we go into Minecraft and we refresh the resource pack. And now, clay should have a face on it. You can see it. I could make this the floor. Clay has a little face on it now. And just in case you were wondering, it has a face on all sides. So, every side of the block now has a face on. And you can do anything now. You can change the color, the texture of anything. If I wanted to, I could make this pig have a mustache. Or I could make it so when you're in survival mode and you break a block, it doesn't just have gray. We could make it like a rainbow. So now I have taught you how to do this. You can make anything that you want. If you have any ideas for stuff I could make in this resource pack, comment them in the description. Or if you have any questions or can't figure out how to do something, also comment that in the description, or comment that, and I'll try and help you. That is all I have for today. I will see you next time. Bye.